All right, you guys, check it out. I was just roaming around on the LINQ. Oh crap! Wait a minute. Oh, how are you doing this today? I bought the wrong camera. All right, so I'm hanging out on the LINQ today, and this is ridiculous. I'm on the LINQ today, and a new restaurant I put up called Favorite Bistro. I never saw it before. It's I think a French type place, but it's happy hour. Dropped in for a gin and tonic. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm gonna give you a glass of water too. Hey, success to crime. Just kidding. Very nice. So I guess they opened up last month, and I haven't been down here for a bit, so I did not know. But they're across from In-N-Out Burgers and in front of Sprinkles Cupcakes. So if you're down here, you want some nice food in a nice location, and a lovely, lovely, lovely decor, pop on in. And so happy hour is from 2 to 6 p.m. and drinks or cocktails like $5 a shot. Hey, you know, not bad. They have things like here, as an FYI, veal parmesan. It's gonna jump around, okay, a little bit. At the beginning, classic onion soup, $12 a shot. Soup of the day, $11. You get a salad. Caesar salad goes for $14. Appetizers. I can't pronounce this. The charcuterie plate, $19. Get your scallops, $16. Some pasta, tomato and basil, $18. Carbonara, $25. Pizza, margarita pizza, go $15. Get your vegetarian pizza, $16. We got burgers here, which go for serve with the fries or a salad for $18. And one called the Hangover. I call it a Hangover burger. Back to the main. You get a New York 12-ouncer, $35. Ribeye, 14-ounce, $46. Get that big giant tomahawk, 32-ounce, $98. Serves 2 or more with 2 sides. You got a fish selection. Mussels, $22. Grilled salmon, $28. And the it's like a ratatouille Mediterranean bath for $29. Oh, not bad. Regular size, mashed potatoes, gratin, cauliflower gratin, mac and cheese side, mac and cheese full serving, creamy spinach, and so on. Looks like a nice place. It looks very nice. You can see behind me. It's a little classy for me, huh? And one thing I like right now, the music is not loud. That is a huge, huge bonus in my opinion. Okay, a huge bonus. But you know, there are sandwiches, but they are on the LINQ, so I imagine they will have some loud days in here or loud nights. But you know, it's a lovely place. This is a quick one, you know. Take a look, see. I came inside, had a quick drink, you know, and voila.